I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, tracking your forecast and that big winter storm we've been watching for you since last week. Now on our doorstep, and as it moves in tonight and tomorrow, we've got a lot of rain and snow coming to the state of Arizona. Now this will start to push to the east late tomorrow night. We'll be done with this storm as we head to about midday on Thursday. But we could see anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rain here in the valley, mainly Wednesday morning. Snow levels dropping to about 4,000 feet. In some spots, they may go as low as 3,500 feet. And we're expecting the highest snowfall totals above the 7,000-foot level. General estimates above that elevation at 8 to 16 inches. And of course, this storm has brought a lot of wind our way. We started with that yesterday. It's been very breezy, if not windy, today too. More of this on tap for tomorrow, and then those winds look to die down as we head into tomorrow evening. But winter weather alerts posted across the high country, northern Arizona and eastern Arizona, higher terrain spots as well. The spots in pink are under winter storm warning, so that's where the majority of the snowfall will be. And as we take a look at that snowfall forecast, we have Flagstaff in the 9 to 13 inch range, Payson at 7 to 11, Heber at 4 to 8, and Show Low at 5 to 9 in the forecast. Could see 5 to 9 in Williams as well, and about 4 to 8 inches in Prescott with this storm. And we're switching into weather action mode here in the valley with that chance for rain throughout the morning and even a slight chance for thunderstorms in the mix too. Temperatures in the 50s for much of the day. Overnight lows early tomorrow morning in the upper 40s across most of the valley, but highs only reaching the upper 50s in the middle of the afternoon. And those best rain chances have us through the morning and early afternoon forecast with a chance for isolated thunderstorms that could even bring some graupel. Remember, this is the softer version of hail, also known as snow pellets. So a chance for some of that to happen if we see thunderstorms come through the valley tomorrow. Overnight tonight down to 49 degrees here. Lots of freezes up north though, 20s in Flagstaff and Heber, 30 in Show Low, 32 in Winslow, and 31 degrees in Payson. Tomorrow in the afternoon, highs in the 20s and 30s up along the rim, so some spots staying freezing all day, and temperatures here in central Arizona dropping into the 50s. Another day in the 50s on Thursday, overnight lows in the 30s. Phoenix won't freeze, but a few outlying spots might Thursday morning and Friday morning. And then we dry out and warm things up as we head into the weekend. Highs back in the 70s by Saturday, and we could hit 80 by next Tuesday.